welcome back to my channel. Did you like this project? Did you really like it? Do you like to make exactly the same? I don't blame you. I'm going to show you what's all inside the kit. Stay tuned. Okay, first of all, the most important thing are the papers from Alchemy of Art. The Steampunk Dream. I used one 8x8 pack and the cardstock set, and there are tons of images to cut out. If you like to see the full walkthrough of these papers, please watch tutorial 1 so I don't have to unpack this. Alright, of course I also, well not of course, I use also with this collection the basic backgrounds. There are 54 sheets and I almost used it all. I think I have one set left. That's nine papers left. But yeah, so I use it all. But if you do not the text and everything, oh my gosh, then you will have plenty. There is a little welcome note inside. There is a little written measurements inside, but you don't need it because I'm gonna tell you everything during the tutorial. This is just a welcome note. The black leatherlook bookbinders linen is inside. For the spine I use that, and for these little closures. I also added another poly bag inside for reinsure some of the hinges. You can use it fully. I did not use that much, so you do not need a full bag, but I just added it in for those who wanted to use it more. And then of course there are 3 pieces of chipboard. And I believe I used the 1mm chipboard for this project, but I did not have it enough in stash, so I just used the 2mm. That's even better for you guys. So the 2mm chipboard is inside. Then we have the 8 paperbacks, those little ones. I just used that. Then we have of course the ribbon set, and we have the bow set. Can't even remember that I used this color. And then there is a little gift bag inside, and I'm just going to show you how many is inside. There is a full bag of eyelets and brads inside. There is chains and open rings for everything to put inside. There are all the charms is inside. There is a even the wax thread is inside for the envelope closures to make. And there is another bag with gear and beads for your envelope closure. Alright guys, if that's not enough, then I don't know what it is. So if you like to make this full, big, fat project, then just email me. The email is below this video. Search for it and send me an email. That's the best way to order this. Be fast. I have a limited amount of this kit that I just show you. The kit is only material only, so there is no written tutorial whatsoever. My tutorials, or follow along, every Monday, Wednesday and Friday I will upload a new video, and if you watch that video step by step every single minute, then you will get every detailed information that you can make this project. So again, there are no written tutorials, only follow along videos. So the kit is only material only. Just have to be announced for that, pretty sure, because some of you misunderstood that there is a written tutorial, but there is not. I never mentioned that. Alright guys, so if you want this kit, be fast guys, be fast. The next one, the last one, the Alice in Wonderland was gone in 3 days, so I hope this will go also that fast, but I can't look in the future. But send me an email guys if you are interested in having this kit. Alright guys, so the Steampunk Dream, I hope you like it. It's a dream guys, it's totally a dream. Alright, hope you like this video. Give me a big thumbs up if you like this. Subscribe to my channel if you aren't already, and see you next time. Bye bye. See you in the mail.